Part 1. Initial Setup. When you unbox the Adaptive, you will find a SmartSource Adaptive scanner, a power cord and USB cable, AC power adapter, 4-line SmartSource inkjet cartridge, and, if your model includes it, a front franker roller. Please do not plug in the scanner yet until after you have installed the banking software that contains the drivers. The Adaptive has removable outer and center covers that can be lifted off gently straight up. Please note the position of the metal guideposts shown here when reattaching the covers. The rear paper track wall is also removable, as are the front and rear image sensor walls. The fixed walls that contain the image sensors themselves are not removable. Note the position of the metal guideposts when reattaching the image sensor walls, particularly the front image sensor wall. The ink cartridge must be inserted before using the scanner for the first time. To access the ink carriage, remove the outer covers and the rear track wall. With the cartridge ink nozzle on the bottom, release the blue latch on the ink carriage and insert the cartridge. The cartridge should be inserted at a slight angle, then push forward gently until it clicks into place. Close the blue latch to secure it. The height of the print head can be adjusted up or down by pressing the release button on the outside of the cartridge housing. If your scanner is a front franker model, you'll need to install the franker roller before using it. Remove the outer covers and the rear image sensor wall. The franker is located near the bottom of the rear image sensor wall. To install the roller, pull the franker assembly gently towards you and place the roller on the metal pin in the center. Once you've installed the banking software on your PC, you can connect the power and USB cables. You are now ready to use your scanner.